Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Cruz and Bernie Sanders have won their party's primaries in the state of Wisconsin. Donald Trump is still in the lead, but it's now possible he may not have enough delegates to secure the Republican Party's nomination before the national convention in July. Meanwhile, Sanders needs to win nearly 70% of the remaining delegates to secure his party's nomination. The Prime Minister of Iceland's resigned after the so-called Panama Papers revealed his wife owned a secret offshore company that held a stake in Iceland's banks. Sigmundur David Gunnlaugsson quit before Parliament was able to hold a no-confidence vote. Meanwhile, the Panamanian law firm at the centre of the scandal, Mossack Fonseca, has denied any wrongdoing. It says the leak of 11.5 million documents that exposed how the rich and famous hide their money wasn't an inside job. It says the company was hacked and has filed a complaint with state prosecutors. The Azerbaijani Defence Ministry reportedly says a ceasefire in the occupied Karabakh region's been violated 115 times. But separatists issued a statement saying the ceasefire declared at noon on Tuesday was generally maintained along the contact line overnight. Azerbaijan and separatists in Karabakh had fought for 4 days, with skirmishes reported as late as Tuesday morning. Separatists have fought for the region before, in the 1990s. The region's located in Azerbaijan and is home to ethnic Armenians. A 1994 ceasefire failed to result in a peace deal. Facebook's messaging service WhatsApp's announced full end-to-end encryption for all its users. The company says any message sent using its services can only be read by the person or group receiving it. No one can see inside that message, not cybercriminals, not hackers, not oppressive regimes, not even us. End-to-end encryption helps make communication via WhatsApp private, sort of like a face-to-face conversation. The decision was hailed by Amnesty International as a huge victory for free speech. Thanks for watching TRTworld.com Istanbul.